Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ria's Dream Garden. Today I am going to discuss about the best summer and monsoon plants. They are perennial plants which if we plant in the summer then we can get flowers in the monsoon too. So let's get started. This is hybrid Cape Jasmine of double petal flower plant. It is an evergreen perennial flowering shrub which blooms year around and is one of the Asian flowering plant mostly used in every Indian home. Crepe jasmine have attractive shiny leaves and is a hardy landscape plant. The flowers are always pure white in double whorl and the branches are smooth and stiff and light colored. It looks excellent when viewing in moonlight and can be easily grown in any Indian climatic conditions. This plant loves acidic soil and its flowering is too much in the rainy season. You can see so many buds has grown due to the frequent rainfall. In summers, we notice that after blooming, the flower doesn't bloom very big and sometimes it falls down also. And see, the soil is wet because of yesterday's rainfall. But its one quality is that its root doesn't rot if it is overwatered. Now, the next plant is Plumeria. It is one of the nicest plants for summer and monsoon as well. I have discussed about this plant in my previous video, so you can see the video by clicking on the I button. Now, another plant is jasmine. It is also one of the most fragrant flowers in the summer. And when it rains, its fragrance spreads all over the garden, which gives us a fresh feeling. Along with the flowers, its leaves are also beautiful. One thing I want to tell that after flowering, you can prune the stem from that area so that new branches can grow easily. The next is Madhumalati. It is a very light fragrance flower and it blooms in bunches. You can see its flower blooms in two different colors. Its one speciality is that when it blooms, the white color flower which you are seeing, it slowly becomes pinkish after one day. We can keep this plant in balcony as well as in the garden also. You can also decorate your home by planting this at your entrance of your home. I am having the dwarf variety of it. That's why I planted it at my terrace. And if you prune it from the top, then it will regrow into new branches, giving more flowers. Now, the next beautiful plant is Bougainvillea. I have pink color variety Bougainvillea. It is very hardy plant and if it is not watered for 2 to 3 days, then also it will survive. The flower of Bougainvillea is tubular and white, which is surrounded by 3 leaves or bracts. I have variegated leaves of this plant which is very rare. Next is Bleeding Heart. This plant produces large clusters of white, bell-shaped flowers like calyces from which deep red, almost butterfly-like flowers emerge. You can see small pinkish bud has emerged inside flower which will become reddish color after few days when it becomes somewhat mature. It can be grown from the cuttings easily in the rainy days. For more details, you can click on the I button and see the previous video. The next plant which I am talking about is orange jasmine or kamini. I have miniature variety. It is also a rain lover plant and is also one of the fragrant plants. Now I will discuss about my favorite plant, that is hibiscus. Hibiscus flower plant has many varieties which other plants usually don't have. You can see my all the hibiscus plants are very much healthy, and about the care I will definitely discuss about it in one of my videos. This is the miniature variety of hibiscus. It gives very small sizes flower which is very unique, and along with it you can see the buds also which will grow the next day. Now next is rose plant. Roses also come in many varieties, and some varieties are present in my garden. There is a misconception that roses doesn't flower in the summer but only in the winter. But that's not the point. The point is that flowering depends on the care of the plant. And to know the full care, you can see it clicking on the I button. The next is 4 o'clock plant. I have grown it from the seeds and it is growing to a very healthy plant. This plant grows colorful flowers, but till now it has not grown flowers. When it will bloom, I will definitely show you all in one of my videos. The last plant for today is hybrid vinca or Sadabahar. It has two varieties, Desi and Vilayati, and I am having Vilayati variety. It gives very different and nice color of flowers, but it is not a rain lover. So during the monsoon, it should be kept in the semi-shaded area. So if you all like my video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.